Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you love fashionable footwear that's both elegant and comfortable, then today's video is perfect for you. Today we are exploring the most beautiful kitten heels design of 2026. Kitten heels have become one of the biggest fashion trends because they offer the perfect balance between style and comfort. Whether you are dressing for work, a wedding, a party, or simply want to elevate your everyday outfit, there is a kitten heel design for every occasion. In this video we'll cover the latest styles, trending colors, materials, stylish tips, shopping advice, and much more. Before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell notification bell so you never miss our latest footwear collections. Now let's dive into the wonderful world of kitten heels. What are kitten heels? Kitten heels are low-heeled shoes typically measuring between 1.5 and 2 inches in height. They provide a graceful appearance without the discomfort that often comes with very high heels. Originally introduced in the mid 20th century, kitten heels have made a huge comeback. Today, they are loved by celebrities, fashion influencers, and women who love both elegance and practicality. Why kitten heels are so popular? One of the biggest reasons for their popularity is comfort. Unlike stilettos, kitten heels allows you to walk with confidence for longer periods. They are also incredibly versatile. You can wear them to the office, formal event, bunches, wedding, shopping trips, or even casual outings. Fashion designers continue to reinvent kitten heels with modern colors, luxurious fabrics, and eye-catching embellishments, making them a wardrobe essential. Pointy toe kitten heels. Pointy toe kitten heels are among the most sophisticated design available. Their sleek shape creates the illusion for longer legs and pair beautifully with tailored trousers, pencil skirts, and elegant dresses. Classic colors like black, beige, white, and nude remain timeless, while vibrant shades such as emerald green and burgundy add a bold statement. Slingback kitten heels feature an open back with a sporty strap. They are breathable, stylish, and ideal for warm weather. Pair them with midi dresses, linen pants, or floral skirt for an effortlessly chic look. Bow decorated kitten heels. If you enjoy feminine details, bow kitten heels are perfect choice. Satin bow, pearl accent, and delicate ribbon and charm without overwhelming the design. These shoes are perfect for birthdays, bridal showers, tea parties, and elegant evening dinners. Metallic kitten heels. Gold, silver, rose gold, and campaign finishes continue to dominate fashion trends. Metallic kitten heels instantly elevate simple outfit and ideal for weddings, festive celebration, and holiday parties. Uh, Transparent kitten heels. Clear straps and transparent materials remain highly fashionable. They blend seamlessly with different outfit and create a sleek, modern appearance. These styles are especially popular for evening wear and formal events. Animal printed designs, leopard, snake, and zebra prints add a touch of personality and confidence to keep the look balanced. Pair these bold shoes with neutral colored clothing. Embellished kitten heels are designed featuring crystals, rhinestone, pearl screens, or sparkling stones were ideal for glamorous occasions. These shoes often become the centerpiece of an outfit. Closed toy versus open toy. Closed toy kitten heels are perfect for professional settings and color seasons. Open toy design offer a relaxed, airy feel and are great for spring and summer. Both styles deserve a place in every wardrobe. Trending colors of 2026. This year, most fashionable colors include black, white, nude, beige, chocolate brown, cherry red, burgundy, emerald green, baby blue, lavender, mint green, metallic gold, metallic silver. Each color can completely transform the mood of an outfit. Best materials. Modern kitten heels come in genuine leathers, patent leathers, suede, satin, velvet, mesh, transparent PVC, woven fabrics. Choose leather for durability, satin for elegance, suede for luxury, and mesh for breathability. How to style kitten heels? For work, pair black or nude kitten heels with tailored trouser and a blazer. For wedding, choose embellish or metallic heels with a flowing dress. For casual outing, wear slingback kitten heels with jeans and a stylish blouse. For date nights, pair pointed toe kitten heels with the fitted dress and simply accessories. The beauty of kitten heels lies in their versatility. In spring, wear pastel colored kitten heels with floral dresses. During summer, for open toe slingback styles. For autumn, brown and burgundy suede heels complement cozy outfit beautifully. In winter, close to leather kitten heels pair well with long coats and night dresses. Comfort tips: choose the correct size, look for padded insoles, ensure the heel feels stable, walk around before purchasing. Quality construction is always worth the investment. Caring for your cleanliness: store shoes in dust bag or shoe boxes, clean leather with a soft cloth, use sweet brushes for sweet materials, keep satin shoes away from moisture, avoid exposing shoes to excessive heat or direct sunlight. Proper care will help your shoes stay beautiful for years. Building a kitten heels collection: if you are starting your own collection, consider owning a classic black pair, a nude pair, a metallic pair, a colorful statement pair, a comfortable everyday pair, and a budget pair of special occasion. These 6 styles will cover almost every week. That brings us to the end of today's collection of beautiful kitten heels design. We hope this video has inspired you to discover new styles and find the perfect pair of your wardrobe. Tell us in the comments which design did you like the most: pointy toe, slingback, metallic embellished, or transparent kitten heels. Well, thank you so much for watching. Stay stylish, stay confident, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.